Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. This is a new shop project. We got a year to get ready. It is an 85 Blazer 4x4. People are probably like, why would you buy this? But I only paid $250 for it. And I will show you exactly why I bought it. The outside has like no major rust. All the quarter panels down here, fine. Got this right here. Back tailgate's got a little bit right there, and that's it. But the main reason I bought this thing is this interior. Looks like it just left the factory. This is a one-owner vehicle. Only has 61,000 miles on it. Carpet had like a heater core issue, so I got to replace the carpet. Headliner's sagging a little bit, but everything in this thing on the inside is immaculate. I did fire it up. Some of the stuff's been sitting for a while. I did fire the thing up with carb spray. It's got the little V6, not sure what size. I think they're calling it a 2.5. Hold on, try to pump this up, but it's not too bad. So for a vehicle that I only paid $250 for, gonna replace a couple of the panels on it. Needs a windshield. Definitely needs tires, obviously, but I think we're gonna lift it. Gonna keep the paint color the same, and yeah, it's a shop project. It's gonna be a couple weeks before we start touching it. We just did an assessment and got a quote on the body work. We're gonna take care of some of the body work on it, but yeah, look for updates for the 85, and throw some comments in. We need something to put on the windshield for a name for this thing. So yeah, keep your eyes out for it, and as always, keep wrenching.